How to fix the error 0xc0000022. The application was unable to start correctly on your Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this error. So let's get started. First, open up your search bar and then search for Windows feature. After you search for Windows feature, open it up. Now, before I teach you guys the next step, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So now, let's get back into it. After you open up your Windows feature, you'll need to search for this legacy components. After you find legacy components, tap on this tiny plus icon and then you will see direct play. Now make sure that you check this box off and then hit on OK. After you hit on OK, a process will begin, and after the process ends, you will need to restart your computer. After you do that, you are simply good to go. And yeah, that is basically how you fix the problem, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.